So welcome students. So in this question, given that f of x minus y is f of x into f of y minus f of a minus x times f of a plus y. So this is an example of a functional equation. And you're also given that f of 0 is equal to 1. You're asked to find the expression for f of 2a minus x, given 4 options. So now first what I do is, so this expression, this functional equation is valid for all x and all y. So let us put x is equal to y is equal to 0. So if you put both x and y as 0, what does this expression give? So f of 0 minus 0 is 0 is equal to f of 0 into f of 0 is f of 0 whole square minus f of a into f of a is f of a whole square. And f of 0 is given as 1. So 1 is equal to 1 minus f of a whole square. So 1 and 1 gets cancelled. This implies f of a whole square is equal to 0. This implies f of a is equal to 0. F of a is equal to 0. Right? So this is the first information that we got. So now once if f of a is equal to 0, you're asked to find f of 2a minus x. Now I'll convert this in such a way that I can use this information. So this is of the form f of, so I'll express this in the form of something minus something, that is a minus of x minus a, right? A minus x plus a is 2a minus x. So f of a minus of x minus a, that is equal to, according to the functional equation, in this case my a is x and x minus a is y. So how can I write this? F of a into f of x minus a minus f of a minus x, that is a minus a, times f of a plus y is x minus a. So that is equal to, so f of a is nothing but 0. You have already got this. So this completely becomes 0. F of a minus a is nothing but f of 0, which is given as 1. So that is equal to minus 1 into a and a gets cancelled, f of x. That is equal to minus f of x. So that's the answer to this question. So minus f of 2a minus x is minus f of x. So option D is the right answer. Thank you.